So welcome students. So in this question you're asked to find the angle between tangents to this curve drawn at the points 2, 0 and 3, 0. So again, if you want the angle between the tangents, you need the slope of tangents, because we know that if m1 and m2 are slopes of two lines, tan theta is equal to mod of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. This is a formula for acute angle between two lines. Now let us try to do the differentiation. So dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 5, right? So what is dy by dx at 2, 0? So at 2, 0, the value of dy by dx is equal to minus 1, 4 minus 5. And at 3, 0, the value of the slope of the curve is 6 minus 5 is plus 1. So as you can clearly see, the product of the slopes is equal to minus 1, hence the angle between the curves is equal to pi by 2. Option A is the right answer. Thank you.